Yeah, I'm feeling that. Woo. Oh man, this sound like some old school hip hop, some old school type stuff. Yo. Another day in the lab, and the mics I grab. It's like a fix your first day home from the rehab. I gotta have some time to spit mental therapy. I bring the missing pieces to the puzzle of life, mental clarity. Psychoanalyst, I'm analyzing. Sociologist, I'm bringing us together for some harmonizing, synthesizing. But before I get above your head, yo, my mission is to resurrect the dead. Enough said, I'll be like a teacher spitting lessons, actual facts, and I'm blessed with the star and the crescent. But I ain't one to impose, cause ain't no compulsion in this here, but I will expose. Put you in the spotlight, reveal the truth, your degeneracy, expose your whack life, give you something better to act like, the way it's supposed to be, paint a real picture of black life. Think you one step better, think twice. Allah's the God I serve, and He's the one who gives and takes life. And really, you don't have any reason to fold, yo. So act like you know. Yeah, spitology, the study of spit. And when I spit, we make hits. Get up, everybody get up. Get up, everybody get up. Spitology, the study of spit. And when I spit, we make hits. Get up, everybody get up. Get up, everybody get up. Think about my dogs, the God's mission. Face big odds and all dissing. Know about the ass you kissing. Spitology means I'm spitting. The butt nigga raw truth. My verdict is guilty cause you filthy. You done had enough time with your nigga rhyme. Bitches and hoes, automatic spraying nigga. Yeah, I'm hating and wait. It's just a matter of time you finish. Rededicating, eliminating your rhymes as a menace. How did we get stuck? Nowadays, you don't even give a fuck about some real stuff. Now you in handcuffs, and the world is sin and you hate it. Acting like you love it, nigga, you fake it. How can you enjoy being a nigga? How can you enjoy pulling triggers on yourself? How do you figure? Ignore this now, it'll get bigger. That's why I be spitting this here until my grave they digger. And this is real plain to the same, but it's hard to obtain by the insane with the stain on your brain. That's why I be like Mr. Clean, leave you spotless while I'm stacking cream. Nah, I mean, spitology, the study of spit. And when I spit, we make hits. Get up, everybody get up. Get up, everybody get up. Spitology, the study of spit. And when I spit, we make hits. Get up, everybody get up. Get up, everybody get up. At first I was known to be a funky bass player. Messed around with the keys, now I'm a fat track maker. A breath taker, wants to get you in the groove. Make you party all night, cause the beat is tight. And then I decided to take up spitology. And so I studied it, in the street muddied it. Took it down, deep, dark, and dirty. Apocalypse to the rescue, gotta step to the plate. Up the back hits, I'm ready to swing and do my thing, make you sing and make you dance to this dance track. Get up, cause I can even make your hands clap. Take rap back to the fun it used to be on every city block. Lyrical miracle, black unity. Bring you up to date, down to the modern time. Spitology, I'm apocalypse, and that's my rhyme.